Actor, its name is Hivila. Hivila is name. So my dear friends, get ready. What is Hivila? I am not telling you what is Hivila, my friends. Its currency now, its token name is HLVO. My friend. Little bit. So my dear friend, in my new project is in front of you, my dear friends. Here you can see the new project name is Hivila. Hivilo is the name of new projects. Here can you see airdrops, GT holders, exclusive, initial. So invite your friends to get more airdrops and the you can see my friends. Thank you for joining my live stream channel. I am very thankful and I am warmly welcome to all my friends here. They are coming to my live stream channel. So my dear friends, the airdrop amount you can claim depend on the amount of GTU commit. So how many days are remaining? For 14 days and 59. My dear friends, check my GT holding. So here you can see the participant 64,157 and total committed is 86 lakhs 15,320, my friends. So your reward lucky draw and token received pending. So claimed time 9 to 2025. Here can you start trading VIP 3 level and lucky draw and the finally the token name is in front of your screen, my friends. Havela's mission is to radically simplify and open UID DEPIN, my friends. So Havela mission is a radically simplify and open up deepen mining to everyone. Havelo empowers user to access deepen mining by aggregating deepen network to into a hyper intelligent, super simple node application leverage. Node application leveraging advice AI Havelo intelligence for mining reward optimization. Havelo ensure you are always mining the most profitable depend based on your hardware location and network condition. The eliminates technical barriers, making it easy for any to participate. And in my dear friends, production projection project introduced, I am telling you, my friends. So next I am going to telling you the founder. Who is the founder? Founder is Demo Domenic Gorissa Gerusa and Andrew Smith and Justin Rosenberg. So this he is the founder of Hevela. Hevelo. He is my dear friend. Domenic Carusa, co-founder and chairman of Hivela, former founder and chairman of TSX listed Bensica of co-founder of Apollo. Corrupto and owner of Dominer Venture Partner, Andrew Smith, co-founder and CEO of Hevlo, former co-founder and director of European Option for Panaxa with extensive finite experience since 2014. Justin Rosenberg, co-founder and CFO of Hevlo, with over 20 years of experience advising and raising capital for a startup, including those listed on ASX and TSX, my friend. So information for startup. So 1555 and 556 HVLO startup supply, my dear friend. It's a huge number. So unlock 100% unlock, 100% unlock. Highlight vision. What is its highlight vision? Aggregation. Bring multiple Dapper project together on one platform. Heavily intelligence AI optimized mining rewards based on hardware network and geography. Simplification. We handle all the technical details like setting up a wallet and mining a transaction. No technical expertise needed. Easy to start earning by offering a simplified process. Automized management. Our platform automizes many tasks while maximizing your earning, maximizing your ROI. Hevlo runs and manages multiple depends for your earning, ensuring you get the best possible return. Flexible payout option offer native depend rewards, stablecoin payout, and FIAT conversation work across network supporting multiple blockchains. So token economic. The token echo is designed for sustainable growth through the tiered stacking benefit, access to premium feeders, and increase mining reward, performance incentives, reward for network contribution and participation, community growth, referral program integration, driving organic and expansion. Technical overview. Havilo is a desktop application window Mac, yeah, Linux the makes contributed to Dapper network radically simple. Havilo aggregate multiple Dapper network into one front end and for interference while last over harassing the many process of setting up and running these network in the background. Token allocation. What is its token allocation, my friend? Pre-seed equity warrant 1 point. So this is its token allocation, my dear friends. Risk warning. The startup project is still in its initial stages factor, including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant number to advantage. Technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto assets investment. The volatility of market is high and the price of token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and marketing factor. User may not be able to withdraw all purchased tokens due to technical issues of the project or Gate.io. So, my friends, this is the introduction. What is Havilo? So, next I am going to telling you about a startup. So, my dear friend, startup, token launch and airdrops, accumulated airdrops. Okay. So it's 124903585 airdrops. So get a stacking. 312.558 58K. So startup 325.0K. So total airdrop to be claimed. So in front of you, my friend. Launch poll 157.63. The rewards to be in mind, my friend. So earn more airdrops, upgrade VIP, share with friends, my dear friends. So next is that get startup mining and get.io launch poll. So here can you see its project DIAM G7 and GMRT and BDG and HVLO that as main Havelo project. Today I am announcing finishing is in front of you, my dear friend. Launch your project on startup. So Gate.io is one of world largest project launch platform. Join our platform now and give your project more explosive and development opportunities. Apply now. So you can here apply now if you have any project for launching. Get started, my dear friend. So here can you see startup FAQ, startup participation tutorial, gate VIP tied. So my dear friend, how to participate now? How to participate, my friends? How to participate in startup? So updated on one one January 15, 2025, and viewers in front of you 1616076. Easy steps to participate startup. Get startup gate.io startup participation tutorial in front of you. How you can go and general, you can go general startup airdrop, log in to gate.io account and then go to startup page and then hold at least 10 USDT and support asset. So $0 free to claim GT holder exclusive airdrop. Log in gate.io account, go to startup page and hold at least 10 GT, hold GT and claim free participation guide for web user. Log into startup mining and gate.io launchpad. So here can you see its project. So, my dear friend, participation guide for web user. Number one, log in to your get.io account. Click on the startup, the homepage to access the startup page, my friends. So here can you see the four dot in front of you. Click at the button gateway to crypto 20 win 20% in cashback on your first P2P trade. So you can click and then to my dear friend, hold on, I will back. So my friend, here can you see in red rectangular startup. So you click at the button of startup. Number two, click on project in the in progress section to navigate on the project page. So the next one you can see here in red arrow. Francana in progress. Francana in progress. You can claim. You can claim, my dear friends. Number 3. Take I have take. Take I have the read on agreed claim agreement and click claim now to complete the claim, my friends. The next one is that to participate and get holder exclusive airdrop, select project labeled get.holder exclusive and click holder GT and claim free. Number other. Take I have the read and agreed claim agreement and click on claim now to complete the claim, my dear friend. Can you see in red banner? Number 4. Check the airdrop result in the claim history on the project claim page. So next is one participation guide for the app user, my friend. So here can you see login. Log into your account, click on the startup page, home page. To access the startup page, can you see here finance, my dear friend, my navigator and startup, and next is that click on the projects in the progress of navigation claim project, my dear friend. Can you see in progress number 4 for Francas 4 and click, and here can you see in the banner of in blue banners, my dear friend. So number 3, click $0 file claim. Number उसके बाद number 4, take I have read and agreed claim agreement and click claim now. So my dear friends, complete the claim Farcana token airdrop free, the higher VIP tier, the more shares, the VIP default share. So my dear friend, current VIP level, I have read this. So here can you see in blue banner. So to participate the GT holder exclusive airdrop, select project level GT and click 0 for free claim. Take I have read on agreed claim agreement and click on claim now to complete the claim. So next one is that check the claim result and other detail by clicking claim history on the startup page. You can see, my dear friends, added features. Number 1, claim all. You can click on claim all button to participate in all the projects you are eligible to participate in. If there is no project you are eligible to participate in our there are no project in progress, there is no this button on the page for web user startup. This is only for those users, they can use a website. So they are click startup and go to in progress claim. For app user, here is a startup button. You can see auto convert to GT. A feature of auto convert to GT is supported on the startup homepage. When it is enabled, airdrop you received will be automatically converted to GT based on the last price at the moment of the coverage. Feature applies to all the upcoming projects and your current holding will not be affected. Open close process for web user startup more auto convert. So my dear friend, open close process for app user. Here can you see auto convert. So next one is that auto convert to GT. Here can you see note all user with a minimum of 10 USDT equivalent in support assets or 10 GT and completed KYC to verification can participate in the claim. User must be meet all claim requirement to participate the project claim. If not, they will not be able to participate in the project claim. Number 2, the claim or rules for each initial project of startup are different and the claim details and rules are subject to the announcement. Number 3, mass registration of account of a multiple account for the same user to obtain startup shares or prohibited. Number 4, most of the project are startup of blockchain project in their early phase. Please be continuous and rotational when investing and considering the risk carefully before the participating. Startup FAQ, we can check. Here can you see the startup FAQ, my dear friends, updated on 02/07/2025. Viewers 1556035 and like 3763. Thank you for joining my live stream channel. I am warmly welcome to all my dear friends. Dear, come to my live stream channel, my dear friends. So my topic is that Havila. What is the startup? Go to startup in the world largest token launch platform where user can discover potential project, participate in the party in the startup, claim and receive token airdrop. About VIP for free airdrop. How can I believe eligible participate in startup? All users participating in startup claim are required to complete identity verification and hold a balance of supportation with not less than 10 USDT. So here is a VIP level: VIP 0, VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, and VIP 4, VIP 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 to 16, my dear friends. Lucky draw. VIP lucky draw is VIP 0 lucky draw, and available share for other 10, 40, 100, 200, 400, 800, 1400, 2000, 1400, and 800, my dear friends. The higher VIP level is more share you can claim. You can claim more airdrops by upgrading your VIP level. So here is the link. How many tokens can you receive? Token received is equal to share subscribe multiplied by token per share. This multiplied distribution ratio. Tokens per shares and distribution ratio were very for each project. Please refer the announcement of project airdrop result. The more shares you are subscribed, the more tokens you will receive. For example, if you subscribe for 10 shares and tokens per share 1000, while the distribution ratio of startup is 0.001, you can receive 10 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 0.01 is equal to 10 token. So do I need to pay for the startup claim, as there are trading fees charge? No funds are required when the participant in fees airdrop claim. Number 5, if you have subscribed, am I guaranteed to receive token? In the end, all VIP users are guaranteed to receive the airdrop, while on VIP user participating in startup claim will follow the participation winning mechanism and not guaranteed to receive a startup airdrop token. Only part for Lucky Dawn VIP user will be randomly selected for each project and evenly distributed the airdrop allocation, my dear friend. Number 6 is startup participation on a first come first served basis. No participant is not a first come first served basis for VIP user. The total allocation is distributed after the claim period and the basis on the number of participants and their respective share ratio. For non-VIP user, the total airdrop amount varies by project and the number of winners and airdrop amount are not fixed. Number 7, do I need to keep a sufficient balance in my account to participate in startup? For startup airdrop, sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distributed after claim. Number 8, how many times can I participate in startup? You can start up in the same startup only one with each KYC account, but you can participate in the startup and progress. Number 9, when will I got a startup token? So my dear friend, when I will get startup token, the final sale result will be announced before trading start. If my VIP level is upgrading after claim, will I receive more airdrop? Use will user will have their VIP level verified during token distribution, and the final allocation they receive will be determined by their VIP level at the time of distribution. If the VIP level increases, the claim share at the time of claim will be used for a calculation. Number 11, again I change my claim share. VIP user participate in the startup airdrop are defaulted to the maximum claim share. So the higher the VIP level, the more claim share can be acquired, leading to more airdrops token. How much airdrop can VIP user receive when participating airdrop? The total airdrop amount for non-VIP user will vary depending on the project. The number of winner and the airdrop amount are not fixed. After non-VIP user participate and claim, whether they won or not will be announced after the claim, and you can check the result and purchase history on the project claim page. Number 13, can non-VIP users use a startup voucher to participate in startup? Yes, they can. Non-VIP users who see as who use a startup voucher to join the claim will have their voucher benefits priorities. A startup voucher guaranteed are 100% corresponding shares, but but a user still need to hold a support asset of less than 10 USDT. 14, can non-VIP user participate in the startup airdrop multiple times? Yes, they can. Non-VIP user can participate in startup airdrop to different projects. Winner can be repeated across different projects. About GT holding exclusive airdrop. What is GT holder exclusive airdrop claim? Number 2, what are the requirement to participate in GT holder exclusive airdrop? Number 3, can I participate in multiple GT holder exclusive the substance at the same time? Yes, you can participate substance for the multiple project at the time. Number 4, hold less than or greater than 10 GT to qualify for a 100% GT holder exclusive free airdrop, but you still need to hold no less than GT 10 when distribution happen. Number 2, hold is less than 10 GT with no support asset not less than 10 USD to participate in the lucky draw GT holder exclusive free airdrop with a chance to receive for airdrop token. Number 5, no startup voucher and startup star are only application applicable to general airdrop project and cannot be used for the GT holder exclusive for free. Number 6, the final subscription result will be announced before trading. A beginner, you can check the result in my support account or a subscription history. So about pre-order, are there any requirement to participate? Yes, use the VIP level greater than and less than is equal to 100 GT, my dear friend. Here can you see I need pay the pre-order. Number 4, once pre-order successfully, can I cancel about this startup premium? Here can you see, my dear friend, the subscription level in front of you, my dear friend. So can I cancel participation tutorial, my friend? Log in the account. My dear friend, so log and get .io account. Go to startup page. Hold at least 10 USD or 10 GT. Claim for a free airdrop. Check the step by step. If you start a voucher, you can visit the help center. Look to earn more. If you have a startup star, you can visit referral carnivals to learn more support. Where can I find more up to date information on startup? You can follow Twitter and Twitter group and Telegram and Gate post, my friends. So noted the rules. Each startup can be different players. Refer to relevant account, my dear friends. So here can you see. Now I am going to telling you about the startup carnivals, my friends. Can you hear me, my friend? Come to there and listen my my heavy low project's name is Havilo. Havilo is token name is HLV. My dear friend, here can you see startup referral carnivals. Invite friends to register to participate in startup for the first time to claim more airdrops. Invite your friend. Here can you click. Here can you click, and here is your referral link, my dear friends. Copy, and you can share here can and WhatsApp. So here is our Facebook. I can share in front of you, my dear friend. My dear friends, stay with me. I go to share. I go to share, my friends. Here I am sharing. Yes. Oh my God, I am sharing. Yes. So I am shared in front of you, my dear friends. So first time claim, my dear friend. Here is the button of first time claim. So here can you see how to first time claim. So you can click at the button of a first time claim. So here is the button of a sweep now. You can swap. If you have a GT token um, and USDT. So here can you see invited friends, my dear friend. Number one, invited friends. Share the exclusive referral link with friends to invite them to register or join startup claim successfully for the least time. Then they will be your wallet invitee. Here can you click at the blue banner. Number two, in star. Share are earned according to the daily trading volume of wallet invitees within 30 days. The more trading volume of your invitees, the more star you can earn. Here can the button you can check your star, my dear friend. Number three, swap star for share. You can redeem star the additional claim share in a startup. Swap is the button in front of you, my friend. So I am going to here the notice start redemption as on support for the project with the total claim shares less than 1000. Number two, star redemption is only available for a startup airdrop project and as on support for non airdrop project. Participants should adhere strictly to the event rule. Any form of cheating is strictly prohibited and will result immediately disqualification from the receiving enterprise market marks. Complaint and institutional account are not allowed to participate in this event. If there is any discrepancy between other language and the English version of this announcement, the English version shall prevail. User the UK and other restricted areas cannot access all part of a service. Please read the user's agreement, my dear friends. Number seven, Get.io has the final right to interrupt this event. So I am going to my next stage. My dear friend, a startup in front of you. How to upgrade token launch and airdrop. Accumulated airdrop is 124903585. And here can you see startup. And my dear friends, here can you see the launching subject. My friend, ongoing events. Here can you see in front of my screen, my dear friend. Now here can you see exchange 5, and we are going to claim no project to participate in, my dear friends. So the first one is that DIAM DIMAT. So participant 4925. So free claim. Here can you click free claim if you are be able. So
Claim a dynamite token airdrop for free. For free, I am click here. Free claim. Your VIP level. So on, my dear friends. I am going back. So the next one is that G7. G7 game 7 is participants. The total participant 37517 and the committed 121 and 579040. And here can you click the button. Here can you see, my dear friends. Oh my god, oh my god, here can you see invite friends and get more airdrop. Here is the button. So my dear friend, I am checking you all of them. How to can invite your friends. The G7 project introduction. Game 7 is a pioneering or a revolution, my dear friends. So founder is name Ronan Krish. Founder Game 7 brings extensive experience in Web3 gaming, venture capital, and community development as head of a strategic participant at the fourth levels. So information for startup. So startup supply is 5 times 0 and unlock 100% highlight of vision, token economics, technical overview, technical allocation, my dear friend. So this other one is that GMRT tag, the game GMRT. GM Gamer tag project introduction. The Gamer company TGC is the next generation cloud gaming platform designed to make a highly qualified. The second one is that who is the founder of Usman Masood is the founder of G7. Information for startup 4 times 6. So unlock is 100% highlight vision. The token economic GMART service as the backbone of the game company eco facilitate in the game transaction. The technical overviews in front of you. The game company TGC operate on the cloud-based gaming infrastructure, my dear friends. Token allocation in front of you, my dear friend. The second one is that BDG, the other ongoing project. Beyond gaming, invite friends to get more airdrops. You can see the airdrop amount you can claim. It depends on the amount of GT you committed, my dear friends. VIP Travel, BDG, project information, labs referring Gamify, where the AI memes explore cutting. Who is the founder? Adam Kadir. Adam Kadir information for startup. 3 and 7 times 0. Unlock 100 high growth. The token economy is startup developer can stake a BDG token to return authorized layer 2 nodes, ensuring that only trusted participant operated that network infrastructure node operator in reward by validating instance transaction contribution to the security and effection of the work, my dear friend. Technical overview. BG labs and token allocation. The second one is that Heavy Low is the my project. Today I am introduced in front of you, my dear friends. Parties spent 65,173 and total committed is 86 lakh 55,465 in progress. So here under in my launch your project, my dear friend, here can you see you can launch your project. Get.io startup, one of the world largest project launch platform. Join you our platform now and give your project more expose and development opportunities. Apply now. Here can you see how to can apply, my dear friend. Here is a new window open open in my screen, my dear friend. Application, listing application, and in commission application, my dear friends. If you are really interested, you can go and apply here for your subject. Share with your friends. Upgrade level. How to sweep start. How to start, my dear friends. How to swap start. What is the startup star? Star is exclusive reward of startup which can be used to swap extra shares for free airdrop token. Every test start can swap one share with a cap of 14,000 star to startup, my dear friend. Here can you see startup referral carnival. Start up referral carnival. First time subscription. Step 3. Choose free airdrop project and click $0 for free. My dear friend, claim a Kobik token airdrop for free. Claim Kobik airdrop for free, my dear friend. You can see swap successfully. You can see check more detail on the claim history. So where can I find startup star page? Go get.io website. Log in into your account. Go to account and go to startup. Click invite and add more airdrop and click learn how to join how to join to enter the startup page. So my dear friend, now I am click at the GT Hub 4. So here can you see BDG, HVLO and Senaki launch poll. Senaki Revolution Web 3 gaming with advantage of PvP boots powered by DeepSeek. GT poll total stacking reward 12 and 6 times 0 Senaki prize poll 125000, my dear friends. So here can you see GT individual hourly reward cap 18750 and mining poll period 4 days 3.5. How to participate in a startup, my friends? How to participate in startup? how to participate in a startup, updated in 115 and 2025. Viewers in 166098, my dear friends. Easy step to participate. Now I am already, maybe yes, I am already telling you about how to. Heavy Low is a new project that is going to launch. Heavy Low, my friend. Here can you see Heavy Low, 18 hours is remaining to launching this, my dear friend. Heavy Low is ready to launch. Hello, Heavy Low. Lucky draw your rewards. Time is running now, my dear friends. Time is running now. Thank you, my dear friends. They are come to my live stream channel. I am warmly welcome to all of them. They are come to my live stream channel today. My subject is that Heavy Low, which is HLV, which is HLV, which is HLV tokens, my friends. The next one is that GT on chain stacking. The project total GT token, total stacked GT 1810393 point something, and EST APR is 7.60%. 1 GT is equal to 1 GT2. So here can you see, my friends, here can you see about GT. GT is stacking. Unlock the full potential of a GT, of a stacked GT to earn high yields 18.10 m and 7.6% bonus. 1 GT is equal to 1 GT2. Stack immediately, redeem, learn. So how to join a stacking, my dear friend? You can see stack a GT, earn daily reward and redeem a GT. How to join stack? How to enter a barrier? I am telling you, my dear friend. Can you see in my screen? Here is the all option in front of you. So, my dear friend, GT drives the infinity possibilities of the crypto future. Holder benefits, my dear friend. I am going to tell you. Introduction to GT. Gate value potential. GT token is the core token of Gate.io, serving as the foundation for the ecosystem development and offering holder multiple benefits including trading, discount and VIP 3 level VIP level grade, and with the core functionality and value proposition
proposition. GT plays a pivotal role as a key participant in the Web3 ecosystem. GT value potential. The total supply of GT is 300 million tokens, with over than 175 million tokens already burned through a buyback and burn mechanism, leaving approximately 96 million in circulation as of December 2024. This deflationary model of regular buyback and bonds enhance GT security and long-term GT ecosystem and use. GT benefits is that, my dear friend, GT benefits is that upgrade your VIP level and enjoy zero fee. The next one is that exclusive mining with double reward, my dear friend. The third one is that stacking on chain of VIP 20% annual return, my dear friend. So free deduction with up to 20 deduction. So my dear friend, the fifth one is that startup airdrop with enhanced benefits, the personalized service for the exceptional experience, my dear friends. Here is I am telling you about Gate Startup. I am telling you about. So I am going to check startup tutorial. White paper. Just a minute, my dear friends. The subject is in front of me, my dear friends. Heavy low. HLVO. HLVO. So, my friend, I am telling you about heavy low. My dear friend, today is the last thing that I am going to tell you about. Last one is that I am going to tell you about announcement is that Gate.io now the sponsor of Oracle Red Bull Racing. Gate.io is now the sponsor of Oracle Red Bull Racing in F1 10 to 2025. So Gate.io is one of the world leading cryptocurrency exchange is pledged to announce strategical partnership with Oracle Red Bull Racing Formula. Racing Formula Honor Racing Team, the 8-time World Drive Champion winning team. The participant may get an exclusive crypto exchange partner of the team via multiple year deals. So here can you see the Gate that announced the sponsor of Gate.io is front of you, my dear friends. Starting from 2025 session, Gate.io branding with the will features prominently, my dear friends. So here can you see Christian Honor, CEO and team principal of Oracle Red Bull Racing, Dr. Lihan, the founder of CEO Gate.io, my dear friends. So in the last not least, I am going to tell you about the ongoing I am going to tell you about the ongoing project Gate One Stop Hub, my dear friend. Launch poll and BDG startup airdrop. HVLO is ready to launch. Launch poll also. Sanaki is going to ready to launch, my dear friends. Thank you, Mohangi. You are sending me your UID. Very welcome, my dear friends. Gate user. Thank you, my dear friend. You are come to my live stream channel, my dear friends. Hello. Gate on chain stacking is ready to launch in market. Here can you see DIAM is ready to launch. G7 is already ready to launch, my dear friends. Gmart also ready to launch. BDG, Bion, HLV is here. Some of them ready to launch in the list of Get.io, my dear friends.
Gate.io Community Center Movement Reward and buy crypto with the fat P2P trade. Here can you see support margin in startup of Gate.io unfired account overview future no guide future underlining magic logic future bonus and future voucher application and technical indication my dear friends. Thank you Jonas, you are finally come to my live stream channel my dear friend. Hello and warmly welcome to all my dear friends. Welcome to my live stream channel my dear friends. So I am verbally introduced star.io. So my dear friend, I am verbally welcome. You can see gate pay, candlestick KYC and a security setting, deposit and withdraw and startup in front of you my dear friends. Security zone reward center. I am going to telling you about reward center. You can see my friends reward center how to claim and use the USDT test training fee rebate voucher introduction how to participate in startup with startup voucher how to claim and use points how to use the reward center. So I am going to check how to use your points my friends. What are points? Points can be used to pay support and contract trading fees, but they are untransferable. How to use points? You can check the points you have in the reward center and on my point page. Also, you can purchase point by accessing the many my points page. My friends, here can you see. Thank you, my all dear friends. They are come to my live stream channel. Thank you. Oh, my dear friends, Startup Referral Carnival. Here can you see Startup Referral Carnival. Invite friends to register or participate in startup for the first time to claim more airdrops. You can see my dear friends how to invite. Here is the button. You can click at the button of you can see in new window new banner is in front of you so you can catch them. And here can you copy share your link. What is the startup and how to earn a startup star? My dear friend, how to earn a startup star? New user who complete a minimum of 10 USDT in support trading volume within 3 days after register on this page can earn 100 startup star. Exciting user and invite new user to register on Get.io. Invite other user to participate startup for the first time. Both new user and user participating in the startup for the first time. The preview the previous day. If the trading volume the invited for the previous day is not less than 100,000 USDT, startup share will be distributed on the same day. The higher the trading volume, the more startup star you can earn. Trading volume is equal to support volume is equal to future volume 44%. 40%. All users who participate in startup for the first time from this page he can receive an additional 100 startup star. How to sweep? How to sweep? Every 10 star can swap one share a VIP free airdrop. Every 10 star can swap one share of VIP free airdrop. You can input the number of star upon subscription to claim extra share. You can use your startup star when participating in VIP free airdrop to claim extra for free airdrop. Can I receive? Every 10 star can swap one share of VIP free airdrop. You free for invite to earn startup star are distributed daily in accordance with daily trade volume of your invitees in an 30 days period. View the announcement for more detail. The more invitees each the volume requirement, the more startup star you will receive. Hello, my dear friend Shifang. You are finally come to my live stream channel. I warmly welcome to all of my friends. They come to my live stream channel, my dear friends. So, my dear friend, at the end, I am going to tell you about ongoing start up event shortly. Ongoing. So, here is the list of ongoing projects. They are launching in startup in shortly. So, my dear friends, here you can see DIAM, one of them. Participant welcome to all my users. There come to my live stream channel. If FE54, thank you for joining my live stream channel. So, my dear friends, DAM has a participant quantity is that 808,441. Total committed 305,530,540 in front of you. It is in progress. And the next one is that G7. G7 participants is equal to 39151, my dear friends. Total committed, oh my god, 132023 3000. So it is in progress. The next one is that GMRT, Jammer tag. The The game company TGC is a next generation cloud gaming platform designed to make high quality gaming accessible to everyone regardless of device limitation, powered by property proprietary low latency streaming technology. TGC allow user to play. The third one is that BDG. The next one is that BDG. BG Labs Redifying Gemify with AI and MEMI explore a cutting edge blockchain eco bolt on Ethereum layer 2 with the optimized roll up ensuring lightning fast transaction and ultra low fees. So, my dear friend, the last but not least, my project Havilo is in the list ongoing launching project participant 65 65,647 and total committed 8668030. It is in progress. I am already telling you about them. I am already telling you about them, my dear friends. Havilo. Hello, Havilo. The Havilo has 65,701 and 718 participants. Total committed 86 lakh 81,148. Project introduction. Havilo's mission is to radically simplify on the open. Who is the founder? Founder is Dominic. Founder is one. Hello, sir. Very good observation. Keep it up. Javed Mew. Hello, my dear friend. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friend. Come to my live stream channel. The founder is one Dominic Garusa and Andrew Smith and Justin Rosenberg, the founder of Havilo. Havilo, HVLO. The queen name is HVLO. Thank you, my dear friend. Come to my live stream channel, my dear friends. So the highlights, vision, token economic, technical overview, all of them I am going to telling you about, my friend, about Havilo. So, my dear friend, about heavy low is in front of we are decided to simplify depend node for the mass, aiming to break down the complex barrier often associated with the decentralized network and making them more accessible and user friendly for everyone. We are in the process of building a radically simple desktop app. This app is designed to empower my dear friend. Thank you for coming to my live stream channel. This app is designed to empower user by enabling them to earn passive income simply by contribution their resources. Their innovation approach not only benefit the users but also stand the overall network. My dear friend, here is what are the building we are unlocking. My dear friend, we are unlocking a new way for people to take part Web3 project and earn passive income. No blockchain experience necessary. Our technology enable user to install an app and their physical device like computer and routers, modems, and a storage node. By contributing resources, they can start mining depend decentralized physical infrastructure network protocol for Web3 applicable without any specialized technical knowledge. Meet our team, the co-founder and chairman Domenic Carosa, Justin Rosenberg, co-founder and CEO, Andrew Summit, co-founder and CEO. Here are the three person of CEO, CTO and CPOs. Simon Korean. A few of our milestone: November 2024 Global Investor Summit. So October 2024 launched public beta. My dear friends, September 2024 launched private beta successfully. My dear friend, here is a lot of information about Havilo. Here I am telling you about Havilo. Introducing the dollar HVLO token. HVLO powers Havilo, this decentralized ecosystem enabling reward stacking and seamless participation in DEPA network while deriving adoption and creating value for the user and business like buy and HVLO stack. My dear friends, buy $HVLO Gate.io, Max Global, and other of them, my friends. Resources. Stay updated and informed in the DEPAN and Web3 landscape. Dive into blockchain, into innovation and trends through our article partnership Havilo and Animoca. Havilo is partnership is all of them. Here you can see, my dear friends. Here can you see. Thank you, my dear friend Muez bin and Javed Mew also coming to Malay. DEA Karadara. Hello, my dear friend. Thank you, all of them. They all come to my live stream channel. Jonas, hello, my dear friend Jonas. At last line, hello, at last line, my dear friend. Thank you for coming to my channel. So about Havilo, we are decided to simplify depend nodes for the masses, aiming to break down the complex barrier often associated with the decentralized network and making them more accessible and user friendly forever. We are in the process of building a radically simple desktop app, my dear friends. Here can you see Dapan Manager. How it works in Windows Havilo, Havilo for Windows, Havilo for Linux, Havilo Mac. So getting started. Step 1, step 2, step 3. So my dear friend, at the end I am going to telling you about the ongoing project. Here is in front of my screen the ongoing project, my dear friends. DAM, G7, GMAT, BDG, HVLO, Havilo, the ongoing project ready to launch in at the platform of Git.io. So what is the BDG? I am going to explore. Bionic Gaming, invite friends. The airdrop amount you can claim here depend on the amount of GT you committed. So here is a notify me when free airdrops. You can click it there. So BDG project introduction. Thank you, finally, Chisti92. You are come to my live stream channel. Only one of you in my group. You are come to my live stream channel. Only Chisti92, Dragonfly, Beautiful Day, and Rapunzel, and other are not come to my live stream channel. So they are busy. So BDG project introduction. BG Labs redefying gamify with AI and memes, explore a cutting-edge blockchain CECO, bolt on Ethereum layer 2 with the optimized roll-up, ensuring lightning fast transaction and ultra low fees. So my dear friend, who is the founder of Beyond Gaming? Who is the founder of Beyond Gaming? The founder of Beyond Gaming is Adam Kadir. Founder Adam Kadir is an investor. So my dear friend, the information for startup. So 3 7 times 0 BDG startup supply 100% unlock. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friend. Highlight VN is that BG chain and thank you, Chisti92. So my dear friend, here is a verbally information that I am telling you in front of you, my dear friend. The next one is that ongoing project. Next one is that who is the next. The next one is that heavy low that I am also introduced in front of you. Heavy low. I am my dear friend. I am already telling you about heavy low. Lucky draw. Here can you see participants 65,899 and committed 86888085 by dear friends. Lucky draw and pending in front of you, claimed on 9/2/2025. VIP the Havelo project introduced the founder, the three founder. Here is the three founder of Havelo. Havelo founder have 10 minutes or karo or to. Thank you, my dear friends. I am going to off my live stream channel. I have to go. My stream is over. I have to go. Thank you for my dear friends. They are coming to my live stream channel. I am warmly welcome to all of them. So my dear friends, warmly welcome. My dear all friends, they are come to my live stream channel. God bless you. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Tata.